G'day everyone, Rod here again with another project fixing this canopy button. It's an ARB accent or accent, whatever you pronounce it, button. This is the one that has a central locking one. The button was playing up, so I thought I'll fix it. So I took the rubber off completely. There was a rubber here, I took it off, and there was a micro switch, which is this one here. So basically I emptied everything. I took the switch out. The switch was playing up, but I fixed the switch, but again the rubber was gone. I tried to put a piece of rubber, did not work, so I thought I will replace the whole switch. So I took that out, pulled the wires out. Obviously I took the cover off so I can push these wires out. And then what I did, I got a push button, momentarily push button from J-Car, $6.95, and just disconnected the original micro switch and then connected this switch to these original cables using the same colors. And I made a piece of plastic that fits in there. So if I pull the cables, if I pull them and then somehow push that in, push it inside. Obviously you have to clean all the plastic inside. You have to clean it and cut it and make it sort of empty, so you can so it can accommodate the back of the switch. It's not a big one, but at least so you can push everything inside. Alright, so this will sit in there. I will use some silicone to glue that in place. And now I have obviously I will paint this in black to hide it a bit, but I have a perfect working switch now. Instead of playing up and trying to push it, and it was 80%, 80 times out of 100 wasn't working. So now it's just that's it. All the job is done now.